When they say you pay for what you get, it's true. So I went ahead and ordered these MZS levers for the Yamaha R6. They're cheap, but I wanted to test them out for myself and give a review on it. I know there's other videos out there. Installed the clutch lever, and it's an automatic no for me. The fitment on this brace part fits real good. It's nice and snug. There is some shaft play, a lot. And when pulling it in and releasing, it doesn't go in all the way. And I've already adjusted the dial on 2 different settings I had it on. Still stays stuck. So that's a big no-no on that. That's having the clutch, riding along. Even though it's not engaged all the way, it's still going to be some, friction on those plates. I couldn't get the brake side on because the bolt, it's frozen onto that part. So either way, I'm not going to put it on because that's a big hell no for this part. So I'm going to go ahead and order the CRG brand in a couple of days. I'll probably just put these up somewhere, or I don't know, give them to someone, like a little kid's dirt bike or something, I don't know, or just throw them away or send them back. Probably not, because they'll charge for the returning fee and all that crap. But yeah, that's ugly compared to the stock ones. But yeah, like, order these off eBay. Did see some reviews on Amazon's, mixed reviews. And then that's about it. Did have a problem on this paint right here. There was a baby pinhole, really tiny. I had to seal that up. I'm gonna go ahead and repaint this later on, sand it down and Bondo. And then 2 other parts I noticed since the bike's been kept in the garage. Another pinhole down here, you can see that bubble, and there was another one here. So I'm gonna redo this whole tank, do a touch up, mask it off and sand it, and then repeat that process. Yeah, it's like a 3/4 gap right there.